Every school wants to set up hands-on learning facility nowadays. They want that whatever their students are learning in classroom, they should actually be able to apply in the real life. They want that their students should learn 21st century skills nowadays, right? So they want the hands-on learning facility at the school. But there are certain problems which schools are facing. Like problem number 1, getting a trainer. Even if they get a trainer, they usually leave within 6-8 months. And even if they are staying there in the school, what usually happens, a trainer alone, without any support of R&D team or without any other support, usually saturates within 1 or 2 years. Just imagine, there are variety of students from 3rd grade to 10th grade, right? And a student goes from 3rd to 4th, 4th to 5th, and a trainer alone with some limited template of robotics items or whatever it is. Usually students end up doing same activities again and again. So what is the solution? What is the solution for very stable and advanced hands-on learning facility? And that will provide the long-term solution to the school. What is the solution? So solution is very simple. School needs somebody who takes care of all the headache. Wherein school just can provide space, and that somebody, that ecosystem, let's say, can send everything. For example, they can send the trainer at their payroll. They should take care of all the kits. They should take care of all the daily lab consumables. They should keep on doing continuous R&D to introduce new activities, new projects into the school lab. A trainer alone cannot do that. They need an ecosystem who will keep on doing R&D and will keep on introducing into the school. And a school also cannot keep on doing R&D, right? Because they also have a lot of other things to take care. And not just that ecosystem, that somebody should also provide access to domain expert to their student. That if their student has some idea, that their students can get some guidance from the domain expert, right? That ecosystem should provide that domain expertise to the students. And this is what Qwings does. Qwings Ecosystem is India's largest and the most advanced STEM ecosystem, which is being developed for the school. We provide trainer at our payroll. We provide all the kits. We'll take care of all the daily lab consumables. We keep on doing continuous R&D to introduce new activities, new projects into the lab. And we help students to participate in hackathons, marathons. We help students, our expert help students to convert students' ideas into prototype. We guide them to, figure out a problem, and let's connect the dots between multiple domains to solve that problem, and let's try to get a patent also. So that is the kind of ecosystem is what Qwings is providing.